What's going on? Judd here. I have a special treat for you today. One of our clients, longtime customers, John Wehrman, is taking the RY2X2 mini infrared machine to do asphalt repairs. Great for pothole repair, great for bird bath repair, drainage areas that might have asphalt that's looking a little decrepit or decayed, and then also for seam welding, where you might have old asphalt meeting new asphalt and water's getting into that seam. This RY2X2 will repair all of those areas. I want you to take a look at it in action right here, but before you see it in action, know that you can earn $95 for every press that you do. It only takes 7 minutes to do that press. Check out John rocking the RY2X2.
We're gonna get him ready. And we're gonna fix that one.
You see how easy that was? John is literally there, two guys rocking the RY2X2 infrared machines to do those asphalt repairs on that residential driveway. And how good does it look? It literally takes old asphalt that looks deteriorated and damaged and brings it back, revives it, rejuvenates it back to its original state. Nice, black, smooth, preventing water from getting into those cracks, eroding the foundation and causing further damage. The RY2X2 machine can literally pay for itself within 20 presses. 20 times, 7 minutes, gives you your return on your investment. Everything else becomes gravy. To learn more about the RY2X2, click that link below in the description, and we look forward to earning your business. And from all of us at Asphalt Kingdom, thanks for tuning in. Click that subscribe button and make sure to click the ringing bell notification to get notified every single time we push out content. Thanks and have a great day.